In this tutorial video I'll guide you on how to change your iPhone's name easily. Make sure you watch till the end to avoid many mistakes. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. Firstly, head over to the settings. Scroll down a bit and tap on General. Next, tap on About, where you can change your iPhone's name. Tap on the current name at the top and edit it to your preference using any letters, digits or even images. Once you have finished editing, tap Done to save your new name. But wait, there's more. You can also change your Apple ID name by going back to the Settings app and tapping on your name at the top. Then select Name, Phone Number, Email and edit your first, middle and last name as regular text. Finally, don't forget to hit Done to save your new name. If you have any questions about this tutorial, feel free to write them down in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, please hit the like button. Thanks you for watching and see you in the next one.